Your sitting posture reveals your hidden personality traits. Do you sit with your knees straight? Or knees apart? Or ankles crossed? Or cross-leg? Do you make a figure 4 sitting posture? Sitting position number 1, knees straight. If you sit with your knees straight, your sitting position personality reveals that you are punctual, rational thinker, and brutally honest. You usually have a healthy self-concept and a positive outlook towards life. They are confident in themselves.
If your favorite sitting position is with straight knees, you are usually quite reserved. You speak only when required and avoid gossiping. You, however, also do not keep things buried in your heart. You will reveal their thoughts in a straightforward manner with no ill intention. You are also quite strong in the way you manage your emotions.
Sitting position number 2, knees apart. If you sit with your knees apart, your sitting position personality reveals that you may be self-centered. You want perfection. However, you are not very good at completing one task properly before jumping to another. You are also constantly overthinking or filled with fear of things not going your way. If you are met with resistance, you may act annoyed or at times not very kindly.
Sitting position number 3, cross legs. You are a dreamer and possess highly imaginative thinking. You do not trust others easily. You usually keep your thoughts to yourself. You may take a lot of time to let someone into your life. You may seem friendly but you do not make friends easily. You prefer to focus on your own thoughts and feelings. You self-reflect a lot. You are not a party freak. Sitting position number 4, ankle crossed.
Your sitting position personality reveals that you are down to earth, elegant, refined, and sophisticated. You are also found to be uplifting and motivating. You will work hard and tirelessly to achieve your goals. You can make people around you feel confident too. You usually carry yourself with poise and seldom panic. Sitting position number 5, figure 4 leg lock. If you sit in the figure 4 leg lock sitting position, your sitting position personality reveals that you are confident, authoritative, and dominating. Regardless of gender, if you sit with figure 4 crossed legs, then you are found to be more youthful, relaxed, self-sufficient, dominant, and confident compared to people with other sitting positions. You are secure and content in yourself. You will set your goals and work smartly till achieve them all. Your career and education are a priority for you. You enjoy careers that offer you variety and new learnings and do not keep you stuck in a dull routine.
Hope this information is quite helpful for you.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel.